What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is a feature video for my YouTube channel, and I will show you how my channel works and what's all about. It's about Android fixing and how you can repair your smartphone, and we'll go to my channel directly. Okay guys, now we are on my channel, and my channel name is Ethiofix, and as I told you, it's focus on software of smartphone fixing. As you see, I just share my little knowledge to other people to learn and repair their phones if corrupted, or if they forget their password of Android phones and iOS devices. I record the videos on screen recorder and a webcam, just to show how their phone can be fixed if it's corrupt. And as you see, my channel have 57k subscribers, and here is my channel description. If you can go to my channel and read it. And here are the whole video of my uploaded, and I show people to just fix their phone by easily. Here are the videos, and we will open one of the videos and we will see. And let me open this video, which shows ISP connection and how to drill a phone to connect in ISP mode and fix the smartphone. As you see, it's fixing, and I showed this video. I show on this video how to fix their phone by ISP connection. And that's all about my channel. It's about smartphone repairing software. And thanks for watching.